say? Just want to say thanks God for everything, and I think this victory I need to give to my mother, to my father. They believe in me. They give me all the support to become a cyclist, to become a professional, and yeah, I just want to say thank you very much, my family. I'm so proud.
Take us through that finish. It was the perfect finish for you with that slight uphill kick.
Yeah, that's why I won. No, I mean, it's like I said, I prefer this kind of sprint because if it's really flat, I mean, the other guys is more bigger than me and more heavier, so they can push more watts, so they can go more fast. But like this finish for me, with my weight, super nice. But today, if you see the team, they put me in the perfect wheel. They give me good lead out, and from that one on, I just felt not super good on the beginning because with the weather. But yeah, GG, thanks mate. And but soon I felt super good, and yeah, I just did my best sprint again.
Can you explain that final 250 meters?
Yeah, I think it was. We came really fast downhill and then go slightly up. So I already feel the legs even on the downhill because we are in the left side, so all the wind is ahead of us. So yeah, when they start lead out our team, 1K to go, I already knew like my legs was super completely exposed. So for sure, if my legs is there, the other also they have the same feeling. So when we go slightly up again, I felt again like super hard, and then I knew I think now it's gonna be my day because everybody already stretched one line. There is also two Cofidis in front of me. I would say also thanks to them because it was perfect lead out in the end for me. In the end, it was a really good fight with Philipsen, and then I won.
And it's also a very good day for you and for that jersey, the green jersey, because you have a bigger and bigger advance.
Yeah, I think the first thing today, I was really proud to win with the green jersey. You know, I think it's not happened a lot of times. Like I say, for me, my plan was first to win one stage in Tour de France, and then again to wear the jersey, to win, to gain more points. Absolutely perfect.
What's the next dream?
I think it's almost done now. I'm almost done now. I'm super happy if I continue now until Nice without any victory even. I will be just so happy.
Congratulations, bini.
Thank you.
And we had our congratulations. Sean, he leads in the green jersey competition. He's now got 216 points. Jasper Philipsen, nearest man to him, on 128. This is remarkable.
Well, he is in a real good position. But as he says, it doesn't matter what happens now, but he has a long road in front of him, another 2 weeks, and he's going to have to keep fighting here for the green jersey classification. But he's in a prime position to take it all the way.
This was Coquard leading out. And in the end, he was finishing 5th place as others came over the top. I really thought Brian Coquard might be in the frame here, but the ramp was what beat him, Sean, and it was quite significant at the end.
Yes, well, we can see here, if you take it up a little bit too early, then you're going to have difficulty keep it going to the line, unless you're really super strong. We could see Germain there, he was waiting. We could see Philipsen, he takes it up at the right time. Delis in the middle there, just got a little bit squeezed out of it and wasn't able to contest, but this man, what a sprint, and he had the power, he manoeuvred it perfectly.